to the Christmas parade. I have a truck in the parade, my mom has a truck in the parade, and my brother has a truck in the parade. But mom's truck lost its cross, so we're on the side of the road doing a little rehab project, getting our trucks back in gear. See, my brother's on top. That's Tyler. He's the elf on a shelf, or the dude on a truck, and the cross fell off. So I am watching. That's mom's truck. I'm in my truck, and it just turned off. And Jason was like, "Did you break it?" No, I didn't break it. That's Tyler's truck right there. So, whew, pressure's on. We got to get rolling. My family has been trucking since 1939. Walker's Truck Contractor started in 1939, the best we can tell. People didn't really keep records back then like they do now, and we don't have anybody alive that was alive back then that can tell us when we actually started. So we're just figuring we've been in business for about 80 years, and I know I look pretty good for being in business 80 years. You know what I mean? So we're in the Jefferson City Christmas Parade. Next year, I want to have Whitney Hauling and Trucking, have one of our trucks in the Knoxville Parade and the Jefferson Parade, maybe even the Powell Parade. I don't know, we may get into this. Y'all look out for us though. Let us know if you see us and take our picture. Send it to me. Here we go! I think they got us ready now. Bye y'all. Y'all say hello. It's a video. Hey.
Hi.
We're parading. Yay. That's it. Look, we got sparkly twinkly lights. Yay. And we got all lights over here and ears up there. Yay! It looks so good. Hi.
Awesome.
Thank you. Yay! Bright sparkly lights. Yay! Look at all the lights.
That's there.
Yay! I like it when the lights flash like that.
Yeah.
Y'all, this is so much fun, and I joke all the time about being a nerd, but I am so nerding out on this. This is a blast. Next year we're gonna put a Noxeria banner and some hay in the back of the Whitney Hauling truck, and maybe we'll let some members throw candy out of the back of the truck. This is so much fun. It was round one, year one for me being in it. Mom's been in the parade dozens of times. She even got on the front of the newspaper one year. But next year, oh, next year's gonna be good, y'all. Yay! See how pretty it is? See, look, we've got antlers and ears and a red nose. Yay! Hey, y'all! Looks so pretty. And then we got a Clinch truck and Billy Frank. You see, he's got ears up there and a Santa hat on it. Isn't that awesome? Oh, I just love it. I just love it. This is so much fun. Good idea, Mom.
Once Dale gets it on, it's like throwing the ball.
The lights are flashing behind the ears. All right, here we go. We're in the parade now. Look, I think this guy needs to be in the parade. Kiki, what do you think about it? Say yay! Hey there!
Thanks, guys. Thanks for coming.
Merry Christmas, thank you! Yay! Oh good, I'm taking a picture of her taking a picture. Here we go!